What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best diaper pail deodorizer of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Purifyou Bamboo Charcoal Diaper Pail. Natural Moso bamboo is used in its production. Moso bamboo is a renewable resource with a long lifespan. This natural diaper pail deodorizer comprises large-shaped porous granules with a nitrogen purity level of 99.99%, which allows for the most effective odor eradication. These activated carbon air purifying bag filters are made from the best natural Moso bamboo and feature activated carbon technology to clean the air you breathe. It is made of natural air fresheners that are perfect for the house. These activated charcoal odor eliminators purify the air you live in and may be used in every room of your home or apartment. Instead of disguising scents, they maximize the eradication of odors. You may apply it anywhere in your house with a foul odor to eliminate it. The most common hiding places are diaper pails, garbage cans, closets, automobiles, refrigerators, and areas where dogs are present. Each sachet has a shelf life of up to 2 weeks, but you can reactivate them to last for up to 3 months by exposing them to the sun for 2 to 3 hours at a time to revive the odor-absorbing properties of the sachet. Each sachet lasts up to 2 weeks but can renew for up to 3 months by placing them under the sun for 2 to 3 hours at a time to reactivate the odor-absorbing powers. Number 2. Ninja Mama Diaper Pail Deodorize. The bamboo charcoal utilized in Ninja Mama's diaper pail deodorizers is harmless to the ecosystem. Instead of diapers that mask the smell, they work by retaining it from the filthy diapers themselves. It demonstrates that they are regular and harmless to the ecosystem and discharge no smells. Every sachet is excellent for almost 15 days of use before it must be re-energized in the sun once more. Place the sachet outside in the daylight. This process will make charcoal start to deliver the scent that the texture has consumed. Then, at that point, leave it in a diaper receptacle deodorizer for a chance to permit it to re-energize. Every sachet has a period of usability of 30 days whenever it is opened. It could be utilized for an additional 15 days, assuming it is charged by then. Endless supply of the 30 days. You might discard the charcoal by opening the sachet and pouring it onto the nursery since it supports the retention of supplements from the dirt. This pet scent eliminator successfully eliminates smells and microorganisms from the air briefly. Utilize this charcoal air purifier to clean the air where smokers gather or in everyday smoking settings in the house or work environment. Number 3. EcoNo Diaper Pail Deodorizers. As we recently talked about, one of the benefits of bamboo is that it is reusable and recyclable. It works by engrossing the foul smell from the diapers in the bucket and delivering it high up, consequently sanitizing it. It is feasible to re-energize these pockets by placing them in the sun each 2 to 3 months for 2 hours and afterward involving them for as long as 90 days each time. Bamboo charcoal is utilized in the development of this regular air channel. Bamboo charcoal has no smell and is non-poisonous, making it an exceptionally protected substance to use in a diaper bucket that is put away in a nursery setting. This is a high-quality product. If you are not satisfied with it, feel free to return the item within 30 days of its purchase. And we'll give you a full refund or replacement, no questions asked. Other than filling in as a Munchkin arm and sled deodorizer and purifiers for disgusting diaper buckets, you can use this product to wipe out pet scents and smoke smells from the air in a home or office climate. Place a couple of reusable sachets in your closet, drawers, washroom, or whatever other place where you could require them. Number 4. Green Peace Pack Diaper Pail. The charcoal sachets are without synthetic substances and usually cleanse the air, permitting the encompassing air to stay new and clean. Furthermore, the best charcoal channel for use in your own home. It assists you with re-establishing your true serenity in each room of your home. The child's room, wardrobes, kitchen, restroom, and, as a general rule, the whole house were utterly cleaned. It's fabricated from coconuts, as the name recommends. You just need to situate it close to foul fragrances, and it will promptly start attempting to assimilate the bad smells. It is excellent since no synthetic compounds are utilized in this harmless to the ecosystem approach. After a couple of days, you will be agreeably shocked to find that there are no more unsavory scents. Utilizing a diaper bucket with a deodorizer, you might kill smells from any stinky region. It includes kitchens and shoes, wardrobes, coolers, trash bins, duffel bags, vegetable drawers, cupboards, child buckets, nursery rooms, and cars, as well as some other stinky areas. Number 5. SMELLEZE Natural Diaper Pail. Foul scents from dirty diapers may quickly accumulate in diaper pails, making the environment unpleasant for both newborns and parents. When you try to cover up diaper pail odors with possibly toxic scents, you just end up with even more irritating aromas. With SMELLEZE, you can get rid of annoying diaper odors without harsh chemicals. The porous structure of SMELLEZE means that it has a tremendous capability for continually absorbing significant amounts of diaper smells. As if by magic, it attracts and absorbs urine and feces like a magnet and then securely eliminates them without leaving behind any unpleasant odor. SMELLEZE has been manufactured entirely in the United States for more than 15 years and has an established track record. Along with providing safety-first Diaper Pail Deodorizer disc, SMELLEZE has a lower carbon footprint, which contributes to the battle against climate change. SMELLEZE is highly absorbent and has the longest-lasting effects of any product on the market. It is highly absorbent and provides the longest-lasting effectiveness. It continues to work 24/7, makes direct contact with soiled diapers, and doesn't evaporate like sprays. It allows easy application and will also absorb urine spills. It works around the clock, directly contacting soiled diapers, and doesn't evaporate as sprays and gels do. It is simple to use and will absorb urine spills and other liquids.